Hello everyone, and today I will be demonstrating how you can fix Windows 10 sound problem. For any reason, after updating to Windows 10, the sound is just not working and Windows has not been able to fix it. Well, in this video right here, I will show you how to fix it. I'm sure you have been trying to troubleshoot the problem, but Windows has not been able to fix it. Well, in this video right here, I'm going to show you what you can do to fix it. So let's go over here and then let's go over to Device Manager. And then right here, let's go over what it says, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. We're going to click the first option, IDT, High Definition Audio. We're going to right click. And don't try to update it, because when you try to update it, you will get this message. So what we want to do here, you can try this. You can uninstall the device, and then when you reboot Windows will go out there and try to download the drivers for this. But I'm going to do it a different way. So what you want to do is you want to go over to the internet browser, and you want to go to this website right here. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below, so you can just go straight here and then click this button, download. So just give it a few minutes, don't click anywhere else. Notice that we have downloaded now, and then we're going to let's let it download, and then once it downloads, just install it. We're gonna go here, and then let's click setup. We're going to click yes, and then we're going to click next. So notice right here in the corner it says that these require a restart. So after you install these drivers and you restart the PC, you should be good with the sound. Let's see over here. So my computer already had the driver, so I will not restart. So just click finish here, close all this stuff out, and then if we plug anything right now, notice over here in the corner, I'm gonna plug my my headset right now. All right, guys. So I hope these work for you. And then if there is a problem, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below, and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you very much. And then if you're not subscribed, just make sure you hit that button down below. And you all have a nice day.